Tough nut for the poor man. Bootstraps won't pay the rent. Politicians pandering, begging for a vote. It's quick range bait and switch, so the rich keep getting rich. God knows it's good for business when we're at each other's throats, 'cause